So guys, welcome back to Experimental Point. Today I'm going to show you an amazing trick related to boat and soap. Basically it is a boat which is powered by soap. So let's get started guys. So guys, first for doing this experiment we need to take a paper and cut this paper in the shape of a boat. We will draw a boat like this. It should be like this. It should be like this. So I will cut this paper in this shape, and so guys, now I have cut the paper in this shape of a boat. It doesn't look like a boat in a 2D dimensional shape of boat. So now we need a shampoo or a detergent or a soap, anything works, and we'll take this boat towards our water source. So guys, I have arranged a water source in a bucket. So now we'll place this boat inside this bucket and pour a shampoo, a drop of shampoo in between it. I've placed it. Just take a shampoo and drop it here right in the middle. As you saw guys, the boat started moving as I poured this shampoo on it. The boat started moving on its own as I poured the shampoo on it. So guys, the reason why did it happen like that, because the surface tension of the water broke off and the molecules of the water were closely packed. When I poured the shampoo on the water, the molecules in the water started pushing each other, by which the boat got some momentum and started moving in a straight direction. And this experiment cannot be done again once it is done in that water, because the surface tension of that water is already broken. So if I try this experiment again in that same water, it won't work. So let us try this experiment again in that water. I have not changed that water now. So I'll pour this, I'll place this boat inside the water and pour this shampoo on it again. So guys, as you can see, I have arranged the same water which was there before. I will place this boat inside this water and I will pour this shampoo inside this. So guys, as you could see, when I poured the shampoo on the boat again, the boat didn't move because the surface tension of the water had already broken. So the boat didn't move forward again. So that's it for today guys. If you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe it. And guys, thanks for the first 100 subscribers, and thanks for watching guys. Let's meet in the next one.